Hello friends, our today topic is proof of Pythagoras theorem. So according to your CBSE norms in class 10, there is a theorem and theorem this is 6.8 theorem to prove the Pythagoras theorem. Before that, you know very well what is the Pythagoras theorem. Suppose you are having a right angle triangle. This is right angle at B. So Pythagoras theorem is what? AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. This is the Pythagorean theorem. Now you need to prove that. How can you prove that this is AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square? To prove that, there is a need to construct a line segment which is perpendicular on AC from B. This is BD is a line segment which is perpendicular on AC. Got it? So this is a construction. What construction? Draw BD perpendicular to AC. Now, you know very well, if two triangles are similar, in that case, their corresponding sides are proportional. Clear? So here there are two triangles which are BDC, this is also right angle triangle, BDA, this is also right angle triangle, and ABC, this is also right angle triangle. So now there is need to show that triangle BDC similar to triangle ABC. Then after we just apply the proportional theorem. Clear? So I am going to take a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, you know very well, B is the right angle, and triangle ADB or you can say BDC, and triangle BDC. Now ABC, this is the right angle triangle, and BDC, this is also a right angle. This is also a right angle triangle. So how can you prove that this ABC and BDC are the similar triangle? Because you are going to show the similarity and proportional theorem also. So first you need to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. How? See. In triangle ABC and BDC, angle ABC is equal to angle BDC. Why? Because 90 degree. Got it? So, and you can see in BDC and ABC, C is the common. So you can say angle C is equal to angle C. This is common. Clear? This is common. So you can see here these two are the angles. So by angle property, you can say that ABC and BDC are similar. So by AA criteria, you can show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. So now, if the triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides are proportional. Any doubt? So ABC and BDC are similar, so you can say BC. This is BC. BC is the side of the ABC. So BC upon CD. BC upon CD. This is also a BC, you can say BDC, in triangle BDC, BC upon CD is equal to, now taking a triangle ABC, you can say here this is AC upon BC. Any doubt? So this is BC, you can say this is the hypotenuse. If this is right angle triangle, this is right angle, so BC will be the hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse upon CD, and CD you can say this is the base. You can say, but not confirm. This can be also base, this can be also base. So this BD can be also base and BC also base, but you are taking as a BC is the hypotenuse, CD is one side. So AC is the hypotenuse of the triangle ABC. So and BC is a side of the this right angle triangle ABC. Now doing the cross multiplication, BC and BC will be BC square. This is BC square. So AC into CD, correct? This is 1. Now similarly you can say what this ADB also similar to triangle ABC. Similarly you can say triangle ADB will also similar to triangle ABC. So again you can use this BPT, basic proportional theorem. What is that? If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Clear? Now use the proportional theorem here. In triangle ADB, you can say AB upon AD. AB upon AD. What is AB? AB in triangle ADB is the hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, you need to take the hypotenuse also. This is AC upon AD is what? AD is the a side of triangle ABD. So AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. You can take. Clear? AB is also a side of triangle ADB and ABC also. So you can say in triangle ADB and ABC, AB upon AD you are taking from the triangle ADB, and from triangle ABC you are taking AC upon AB. Clear? Now again doing the cross multiply, AB into AB will be AB square is equal to AD into AC. Got it? This is 2. Now we are going to find the sum of 1 and 2. So sum of 1 and 2. What is that? BC square plus AB square. BC square plus AB square is equal to what? AC into CD. AC into CD plus AD into AC. Got it? This is the left hand side, BC square left hand side. AB square also the left hand side. So this is also in left hand side. Right hand side AC into CD, so AC into CD plus AD into AC is the right hand side of the second equation, so this is AD into AC. Now this is BC square, this is AB square. Now you can take AC the common from the both of them, so this will be CD plus AD. Got it? Now this is AC into CD plus AD, CD plus AD will be AC. So this is AC. So this is BC square plus AB square is equal to what? AC into AC. When multiply AC into AC, this will be AC square. So this will be BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Now it can also written as AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. Now you can see AC is what? In triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse, BC is the, you can say base also, you can take the side, and AB is also under side. So this is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of their other sides. So this was the theorem which you need to prove that. What is AC square is equal to BC square. You can write here also like this one. So this can be also like this one, BC square plus BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. Now it can be written as AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So this is the theorem you need to, which you just want to prove that. So now this is the proof of Pythagoras theorem. What is that? The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides of right angle triangle. Clear? So this is the theorem according to your syllabus. This is the theorem 6.8. Clear? Now we are going to show that prove that theorem 6.9. What is 6.9? In 6.9, this is the you can say converse of 6.8. What is that? See properly. So 6.9 is given that if this is right angle triangle already given. This is right angle triangle ABC. This is given actually, and this is right angle at not right angle. This is given the triangle. This is given a triangle. Theorem 6.9. This is theorem 6.9. What is that? If square of one side of a triangle is equal to the sum of square of remaining two sides, then opposite angle of that side is, you can say, right angle. Mean what? This is already given. What? In a triangle ABC, it is given that actually. What given? It is given, in short, you can write it. It is given that in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. This is given. Clear? You need to prove that. To prove according to your theorem, this angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. You need to prove that, because theorem is telling about if square of one side of a triangle, is equal to sum of square of remaining two sides, then opposite angle of that side, this side AC square, AC, that side is right angle. So opposite angle of AC is 90 degree. This is the B. You need to prove that angle B is 90 degree. Clear? This was the theorem. Now we are now doing the construction. What is construction? Construction is that draw a triangle PQR. Draw a triangle PQR at Q 90 degree. Draw a right angle triangle at Q. Right angle triangle at Q is 90 degree. Q is 90 degree such that mean you need to draw a triangle, another triangle, right angle triangle at Q is a right angle, such that AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. Got it? You need to construct another triangle PQR. This is right angle at Q such that PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. Clear? So this is a construction. Clear? So according to your construction, you can say this one, PR square is equal to QR square plus PQ square. Why? According to your Pythagoras theorem. PR square, this is the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse. PR square is QR square plus PQ square. Got it? And according to your construction, QR is equal to AB and PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. So you can replace PQ by AB and QR by BC. So PR square is equal to QR square is what? BC square plus AB square. Any doubt? This is what? Clear? Now, this is already given. What is? AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. This is true. This is already given. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So by first and second, the right hand sides are equal. So in that case, left hand side will also be equal. So you can say PR square is equal to AC square. So by taking square root both sides, if the square of two numbers are equal, then their square root will also be equal. So you can say from here, PR is equal to AC. Any doubt? PR is equal to AC. And according to, this is proved actually, this is proved. And according to your construction, what is? According to construction, what is? BC is equal to QR. You can say QR is equal to BC. QR is equal to BC and PQ is equal to AB. PQ is equal to AB. So these two triangles having the equal sides. Why? Right now you just prove from here PR is equal to AC, and according to your construction this is also equal. AB is equal to PQ, already equal, and BC is equal to QR. This is already equal. So you can say by triple S criteria, what is that? Triangle ABC, you can say triangle ABC or triangle PQR will congruent to triangle ABC. So by CPCT, if two triangles are congruent, in that case respective sides are equal as well as respective angles will also be equal. Clear? So if by CPCT you can write, because triple S criteria, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC. So by CPCT you can say that angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q, and this is already constructed a triangle PQR where Q is the 90 degree. So angle Q is equal to 90 degree according to your construction. So you can say angle B is 90 degree. So this is proved. This was the theorem. So this theorem was what? That if square of one side or triangle is equal to the sum of square of remaining two sides, then opposite angle of that side is right angle triangle. So it is given that AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. So right now you need to prove that opposite of AC, that is B will be 90 degree. B will be right angle. So you just prove it. Clear? So I think, my dear friends, this two theorem I just showed here, it will be understandable to all of you. So this is a request from my side. If you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. If you are already subscribed, so please share the link to your friends so that they can also take the benefit of this video. So my dear friends, thank you so much. Keep watching this video, and this is a request again. I'm telling you, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.